Okay, now let me check your answer. The line graph illustrates the total number of visitors who visited Caribbean island between 2010 and 2013. Very good. There were millions of visitors who stayed on cruise ships and on island. More tourists stayed on cruise ship as compared. So मलाई त्यो when you submit your answers to me, before that try to review your answers. Even in the exam you have to spend 2-3 minutes to review your answers, and also for planning your answer before you write, circling the keywords in the questions. Did you write with pencils? Don't write with pencils. Write with sorry, don't write with pencils. Only write with sorry. Uh, Please write with pencils. Okay, don't use pens. In the year 2010, only one half tourist. Can you say like that? Only half of the tourists stayed on cruise ships. Then there were more number of tourists who started to stay on cruise ships. Why you put full stop here? And why don't you link with and? Don't write this and. How many times do I need to say the same thing? THE then. When you want to compare, then only use THE then. Then and then there were more number of uh, there were more visitors. There were more visitors who started to stay on cruise ship. Okay, fine. The number of visitors who choose, no, not this choose, CHOSE, choose, visitors who choose staying on cruise ships rather than island reached up to 1 million in 2010. The number went on increasing. Why don't you say like that? The number. Okay, fine. The number of people kept on increasing. Okay, fine. That is also fine. The number of people kept on increasing from 1 million to 1.5 million. Therefore, visitors who stay on island in the year was. Why you write therefore here? Can you write therefore in writing task 1? Generally this is used in writing task 2. The visitors who stayed on island in the year was half a million, then it was equal to half a million as compared to. Why don't you write as compared to? Don't write like this, as it was equal half a million as compared to 2011. In the year 2012, more people visited stayed on island, and number increased from to more than 1 million. Then okay, so by reading your answers, I can only see numbers, but cannot figure out what you are telling. What is the highest? What is the lowest? That you have to give some idea there. You haven't given any such information there, so you will not get high score. Only figures, it doesn't work. You have to make some meaning. In total, the number of visitors kept on increasing to the island. Into the total tourists who stayed on both cruise ships was 1 million, is increased, and it kept increasing with just 1 million to 2017. Did you get 6? There is no problem in grammatical range, task achievement, address to the questions directly. Vocabulary is also good. Coherence and cohesions. How will you organize your ideas? Maybe you have some problem here. Maybe you will not get 6, but anyway, this time I give you 6.